DJI recently came up with this new drone lineup, and this time it's a Cinewhoop style drone which they call the DJI Avata. It's fast, compact and easy to fly when you combine it with goggles and a motion controller. Alongside these two items, you need more accessories to bring the most out of your DJI Avata. By keeping that in mind, we have made a list of some must-have accessories that can make your flying more accessible and fun to all. So, without further ado, let's get started. Feel the rush of a cockpit with DJI Goggles 2 and Motion Controller. When you combine the Avata with Goggles 2 and Motion Controller, flight becomes more immersive and accessible to all. These brand new goggles are lightweight, portable and comfortable to wear. It has two separate 1080p micro OLED screens with a refresh rate of up to 100Hz, so you can experience marvelous clarity as you navigate the sky. Besides, its 10-bit enhanced display ensures true-to-life colors and shadow details. Goggles 2 even comes with a diopter adjustment that gives you optimized viewing and comfort. Besides, it supports DJI OcuSync 3 Plus technology to ensure stable and faster live video transmission. On the other hand, with DJI Motion Controller, you can enjoy easy and intuitive motion control in your hand. All you have to do is squeeze the trigger and bolt forward and turn left or right with a swivel of your wrist. Overall, these two accessories can provide a unique way to fly as if you're in the pilot's seat yourself. Though the motion controller feels convenient while flying the Avata, it cannot provide you with manual control. That's where DJI FPV Remote Controller 2 comes into play. It's smaller, lighter, and even more portable than the previous one. Also, it adopts an ergonomic design with a Hall effect control stick which gives you flexible control over the drone. This controller even supports 2 frequency bands for smooth transmission. Moreover, you can get up to 9 hours of operating time with this controller. In short, if you're into racing and freestyle, then the DJI FPV Remote Controller 2 is definitely for you. In case if you didn't know, you can fly the Avata for up to 18 minutes, which might not be enough for getting your desired shots. So, to add another 18 minutes, you can keep another intelligent flight battery with you. This battery won't even bother you while carrying it because it weighs only 162 grams. Besides, its intelligent battery management system allows you to monitor battery status in real time, letting you focus more on flying and less on battery life. What will you do if your DJI Avata runs out of battery life? Obviously, you will go for charging it, right? But why charge them separately when you can juice up 4 batteries simultaneously? Yes, the DJI Avata battery hub can make this possible for you. This charger not only allows you to power up multiple batteries, but also greatly enhances the charging efficiency. With 65 watts of output, it approximately takes 47 minutes to give you a full charge. So, don't wait for another day to capture your aerial shots. Capture more creative footage with the DJI Avata ND filter set, which includes ND8, ND16, and ND32. These filters are made of high-quality light reduction materials which reduce the amount of light entering the camera through its lens. Not only that, they can also let you capture more accurate colors with stunning highlights and shadow details. Anyway, by choosing the right one based on your environment, you can have more freedom to control the aperture or shutter. Accidentally broke your DJI Avata's propeller guard? No worries, we have another propeller guard, and that is from DJI themselves. It's even affordable, so you're completely safe from buying another Avata. Plus, it adopts a ducted and precise aerodynamic design for smoother and safer flight. It's much easier to install, so you don't have to look for an expert. In general, to ensure your DJI Avata's safety, you should definitely add it to your shopping list. To carry all of these accessories along with the DJI Avata, you can have the DJI Carry More backpack. It has a large capacity and a multifunctional design to store more accessories at the same time. Plus, this backpack is water resistant and can provide a more comprehensive safeguard for your DJI Avata and its accessories. It even has a soft inner liner that keeps your items in a stable position during transportation to avoid collision and extrusion. Overall, this backpack is a must for you to keep your DJI Avata and other accessories secure. So that was all about the must-have official accessories for DJI Avata just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.